when you encounter insects or scale, bugs, any type of that, don't freak out. As long as you have the right knowledge, you can treat it.
Hello everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. We're back in the studio to introduce some experience with you, and that's what we want to talk about this today. One of the common insect in the tropical plant or subtropical plant or any other plant that possibly to damage your plant, that is called scale. What is a scale? On this tree here, there's a scale happen right there. This is the one after we clean up the scale and what they look like, but this branch here already damaged by scale if you delay to clean up the scale. From of us right here, this is the Carmona Microphylla, and the common name is a Fukien Tea. Looks like it's still green, still healthy, because the customer just bringing in and we find out the scale on this tree, and the camera going to give you some information what does the scale look like. This one here, we already treated the plant, and actually this branch here is damaged by scale, so they struck the juice of the tree to dry out the branches right here, and you can see here this not going to coming back, and they step by step to go to the other branches too. So you need to carefully, because the scale, the color is similar like the branch, the color, they're really smart, because you can see the Carmona Microphylla, there's some dark dot right here, that's the regular color, but if you're looking at compare with this one, this really close to look like, but this one have a scale, this one already clean. Let's take a look what's the look like the scale on this tree right here. Here the scale, what they look like. This area here, you can see the black dot right here, the actually dark brown color right here. This is the scale. You can see everywhere here, even the down right here, you can see here.
That's itchy.
Let's take this leaf off. Let's take this off. Look at this right here.
If you have trypophobia, don't look.
Yeah. This is all scale. And they're not coming down to the bottom yet. But maybe here, most of the time they start from the corner where a lot of the leaves, their air circulation.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're everywhere.
Everywhere. And especially under the leaf, they're not touching the leaf, they're touching on the branches right here. A lot of scale right there already developed. Let me turn to the back side. Here you go.
You see any there?
Look at this right here.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
See here. Right? See right here. Let me take this off.
Oh my lord. That's disgusting.
Look at this. Look at this here. They have a party right there.
Whoo!
So you need to clean up this to protect your tree.
And if you don't clean it up, it will just slowly suck all the nutrients out, and the branch will be all dry, and your tree will slowly die.
Look at this, even under the leaf. Look at this.
What?
No, not under the leaf. I mean, the leaf cover up. See here, a dull one.
So what do we do to treat it? Let's go over that.
So when you get the scale, you have to remove it. So how to remove the scale? Firstly, you need to protect your table, protect the soil. We don't want the scale drop to your soil. So I have a paper, very simple paper or newspaper, whatever. So we just cover up the bottom part right here. Then use the Scott tape.
And this is so when you're removing the little scale pieces, it doesn't drop into the soil. Because if it goes in the soil, it's just gonna crawl back up and grow again.
Just like this. Here you go.
And you'll see how many we're going to remove. And what do we use to remove?
Remember, we're dealing with the tropical or subtropical plant. We can remove this leaf off, they will coming back. The reason we want to remove this leaf because they cover up the branch. You're not going to see the scale. If one scale living right there, tomorrow you get the more just like that continues to develop it. So that's carefully. So next step one, we're going to remove most of the leaf. You can see here on this part right here, you can see without the leaf it's easier to catch the scale and clean it up.
All right, let's pull all these leaves off and let's see all the scale that's actually on this Carmona here. And we're literally removing every single leaf. And some of you watching this will be wondering, oh my goodness, Robert's killing another tree. We're not killing the tree at all.
We're helping the tree.
Yeah. And tropical plants, these leaves will grow back in probably a month and a half.
Yep.
If you're curious how, you can check out one of our previous videos. I'll add it in the link in the description.
Now you can see the scale, very clear. Where's the scale?
The more we pull, the more scale we see. Look at that.
So now we move most of them.
Look at all that. That's disgusting. I don't know about you all, but it makes me itch.
And we will give you the update in the future what they look like. After we pull all the leaf off, you
Look
can
at how
see,
many we pull.
see right here, see here, see here,
Dude, look at this.
right here.
Oh.
The bottom, take a look at the bottom right here. This is not scale. This is the tree, the character. You see, the scale is almost same like this. A lot of people misunderstood, think, oh, this is the tree, they look cool. But actually, all of this is a scale right here. If you're not pulling out the leaf, it's hard to see because the big leaf cover up that you're going to miss it. You're not taking out one or two. Tomorrow they're going to continue to develop.
Look at all of this. That's so nasty. Look at all the leaves we removed. And this will all grow back soon.
At this moment, you probably have the question how to clean up this scale. You don't need to have a fancy tool to clean up this. Of course, the box cutter like this, you can clean it up the scale. We have a chain tool right here, also can clean up the scale. Anything with like even the knife plate, this is for the fruit, so you can easy to get the angle to clean up. They're not that hard. You touching, they drop. So get this here. They already start dropping. Okay. I like this one here, and I like this the chain tool right here because they can touch to the point and easy to work in it. This is how I started. So hold the tree. See here. Clean out the bottom. See here, how many?
Well, they just keep falling out.
And now you can see this is still green. That's a good thing. Did not kill the branches yet.
It's nasty, man. It's like scratching off a pimple.
Here. Especially the corner is the one difficult. That's when the box cutter like this. Let me show you using the box cutter. You can do it like this too. See here? But it's not that handy.
I like the gin tool. It's easy.
Let's try the gin tool. Like this one here.
like a potato peeler. Would not recommend using this for zits on your face.
So I still like this one because you can get from the top, from the bottom. I don't know why. Even this one already cleaned up. See here, it's still missing one. Look at this.
And then if you look on the bottom, there's probably more.
Look in the bottom. I don't see the camera. Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Look at this. With the leaf, it's hard to clean up. So take the leaf off. Is any baby scale right there? Maybe develop.
Look at all that.
Look at this here.
Yum.
Yeah.
Mix this in a granola bar. I don't know why I say things like that.
Look at this here. How many we've been removed? The leaf and also the scale.
Oh, look at all that.
Many of them.
And it took us about, the two of us, 15, 20 minutes or so.
And this is only 9 inches tall tree.
Did we get everything? You want to rotate it? Let's see.
Let's see. So I would like to, I don't want this drop anywhere right this moment. Oh, we have one here.
Oh, they're always hiding in the armpits.
Because the color is the same like the tree. That's the difficult part for this Carmona Microphylla. So if you have Carmona Microphylla, just watch out. Oh, that's another one right here. Look at this. Under the arm right here.
Wait, what's underneath this leaf?
This here?
No, wait a minute, this leaf. What's underneath that leaf? Yeah, there's one right there.
Yeah, there's one right there.
There we go.
Do you see anything?
Let us know in the comments if you see something we missed. Okay.
So after we clean up all the scale and the leaf, I'm going to use the garden hose to spray it. I'm not using any chemical. We try not using chemical if we don't need it, and tell you this is we don't need it because we clean up pretty much 100% perfect. And I'm going to turn on the hose, and you can see the hose is really, see here, you can see here, right? So hold your tree.
And spray the bottom, top, down, everything.
Everything. Even the soil on the top.
And just like that.
I'm going to turn this side. If you have the Carmona Microphylla, every 2 weeks, 10 days, you can host it like this. They're not going to damage your tree. Especially aphid season, you know, summertime, you need to clean up like this with the leaf. The leaf not going to drop. You can see how strong the tree. Don't think about using the water. You can spray out the scale. Scale need the tool to clean up. This is just for the small thing. And this is the last part. Going to move the rock, make a scale egg right there. Here you go.
Let's clean up. After rinsing it, we found one. We found one. Let me scrape this off. Got him. Got him.
This one here.
Oh, okay. Can you scrape it?
Yep. See, here we go.
Got him.
Here, another one.
Oh my goodness, never ending.
See here?
Yep.
So after we spray with the water, clean up, and don't misunderstood. This is not scale. This is the Carmona Microphylla. They have a mark the tree character like this, almost same like the scale. That's why people miss it. The thing is about, oh, that's Carmona. Actually, look at this here, almost same like the scale, but this is not scale. Okay, so you have to watch carefully your tree, especially in between, like here, between right here, under the branches right here. That most of the time is the scale develop right on here. Yeah.
Starting the armpits.
Yeah, especially right here. Look, think about that. If this all with the leaf, you're not going to clean up that much. And tomorrow continue, will be damage the tree. So this is the information we're going to share with you. Hopefully can help you to protect your plant, not get the scale insect.
So this is now 2 days later, and remember what we said earlier in the video. Once you're done scraping it, check again the next day or two, because you're bound to find some more. So let's take a close-up look at this tree here. There's a few that we found, and then they're just not a lot, maybe 2 or 3 total. But once we scrape these last few ones off, it should be okay. And when you encounter insects or scale, bugs, any type of that, don't freak out. As long as you have the right knowledge, you can treat it. And we're here to tell you how to treat scale. And hopefully we'll follow up with a few more different videos of common insects and bugs that you may find in the bonsai world. Click like, click subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know what you think about this video. And remember, every single Friday we'll have a new video out that's related to bonsai stuff. See you next week.